So we just got back from the hair store and I'm going to show you everything that I got, which you kind of already saw in the little clips, but just in case the audio is weird on that, here we go. So I have my bag. My total was like 30 something dollars, but of course I got a discount. So everything was $30 in total. So like I said, I got the Dry Solutions from VO5, the conditioner. This is what I'm going to use for my co-wash. So I wash my hair with this first because my scalp is super dry and also my hair is very much low porosity. So I like to use nice, thick, creamy products to add additional moisture to my hair before I strip that with a shampoo. So yeah. Let me see if I can do like a thingy to show you the, see how thick? Yeah. So I'll be, like you don't know what conditioner look like. So I'll be washing my hair with that bad boy there. And, ooh, I can't open it. I can't twist it open. Oh gosh. All right, let me see if I can suck it back into it. There we go. This is also great for washing your wigs. If you want, you can use that. Any VO5 conditioner works well. It's only $2. You're not losing there. Then I jump into shampoo and I got a detangling and conditioning shampoo. This is from Cream of Nature, as well as the conditioner. The conditioner is a detangling and conditioning conditioner because my hair tangles very, very easily, especially because I braid my hair down for like a month, sometimes two, don't judge me, at a time while wearing my wigs. So these, I promise you, I don't know. The shampoo is extremely moisturizing. It doesn't leave my hair dry when I wash it out to put the conditioner. When I put the conditioner on there, it leaves my hair nice and soft and just buttery and just, I don't have to fight to comb through my hair after I use these products. I love, 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 love them. Now, I did watch a video on the milk, the hair milk. The girl, she has, I believe, 4C hair texture as well. And she said that's a great moisturizer. I was supposed to grab that, but didn't. What I got instead was the Argan and Macadamia leave-in conditioner. This I've tried. This I love. Anything with Argan and Macadamia together, completely sold. Macadamia in general, macadamia, it softens the hair so well. Like argan, everybody knows argan, everybody loves argan. Argan smooths the hair out, but macadamia is that girl. Macadamia softens the hair. Okay, so I would do the shampoo, the conditioner. I also got the deep conditioner packets. I got two, so one in the front, one in the back. I have a lot of hair and I like a lot of conditioner. This is very, very, very thick. That's why I only got one leave-in. So I'm going to shampoo, condition, and then co-wash, shampoo, condition, deep condition. Like I said, the argan and the macadamia together, it just makes my hair feel so soft. Okay, so after I do those two, while the hair is still, after I've rinsed that out, while the hair is still wet, damp, whatever, I'm gonna throw this in there. I only got one packet because it is literally so thick. It's so much product, and my 4C hair texture loves this. Sometimes it will just sit on it, so I have to like wait a while and like try to work it in. Sometimes I only use half a packet, so I'll start with a little bit, and then if I see that my hair needs more, I'll add more to it. But that's a that. Then when I'm done, I'm going to apply some of this to my scalp. This is the Sunny Isle Rosemary Mint Oil. This and the Mayel are very, very similar. Like every ingredient that's in this is also in the Mayel. The reason why I did not get the Mayel, for one, it's a $2 price difference. This one is $9.99, Mayel is $11.99, so that was like the first, okay, why is it more? But Mayel also had like a couple ingredients that I could not pronounce. I did not like that for myself. And it also had some type of acid. I did not like that either. So I decided to go with this one, Sunny Isle. They claim that they are the only company who has exclusive rights to actual castor oil from Jamaica. Love that. There was no salt. I didn't see any salt mentioned on this. The castor oil itself that they carry is 100% pure castor oil, no added ingredients. And it's the same thing with OK. The OK brand, they make some good products as well. Their castor oil was the first castor oil I saw that literally only said castor seed oil. That's it. Or whatever the scientific word is. And then in brackets, they have castor seed. Yeah, I like it. But that's that. I'm gonna take off my wig. I need to wash the lace as well. But yeah, I'm not gonna record the whole washing my hair process because it's literally just me washing my hair, and I don't want to make this video any longer than it needs to be. So that was my little haul. I do need to get some more stuff from them. I need LA Girl concealer. I need some press-on nails. I need a new under eye puffy thing, sponge powder sponge thingy. Need to get one of those. So I'm gonna do another come with me to the beauty supply store. I'm probably gonna make that into a short, unless you want a video like this. If you want a long form video like this, let me know, or if I should just make it into a short, because either way I'm gonna record. But let me know if you want a long form video like a haul, but it's not gonna be a lot of things, so maybe a short. Anyways, if you guys have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye. Okay, so we're in the beauty supply store and I need to wash my hair. So we are here for shampoo and conditioner. I recently did a big chop, and low-key wasn't but is, so I'm now all natural, and I'm really hoping you can't hear the music that's playing in the background because oh my gosh. Now this right here, the Kiss the Kiss Argan of Macadamia, this line is so good, like so moisturizing, it's ridiculous. VO5, it's cheap and great for co-washing. So I'm going to actually grab, so they do have a co-wash itself, right? Why am I not focusing? So they do have a co-wash itself, but I don't think I'm gonna try that. Let me see. See, it's too watery for me. Yeah, no, I need something thicker. I like this, the dry scalp solutions, because I do have dry scalp. I also like this one, the Island Coconut, but I feel like it looks like they changed the bottle, but it looks like they changed the formula too. I think I'm gonna stick with the dry scalp solutions with almond oil. Yeah. And they only have the conditioner, which is fine because that's all I need, the conditioner. So I'm gonna take that. I should have gotten a basket. And I'm gonna take this. So this Cream of Nature, this right here, this line, right? When I tell you, for the girls who have 4C texture that tangles like a mother because we braid our hair down for weeks at a time to put wigs on top, this detangles like a dream. Like a dream, and it's only $5.99. Okay, so I'm definitely getting these two right here. So I have my co-wash, my shampoo, conditioner. I'm thinking I'm gonna do the Kiss Macadamia because I do need a deep conditioner and I need a leave-in conditioner. But I don't want that much product. So what I'm gonna do is get the little packets off of that. All right, so let's find the little packets. I know the music is getting louder and I hope you guys can't hear it, so I'm just gonna stop talking. Okay, we're away from the music. I'm gonna put my stuff on the counter. So I'm only getting 1 leave-in, 2 conditioning masks, my co-wash, that's my conditioner, that's my shampoo. Now, This, like I said, I love, but I was able to do this one. I got these little samples just to try it out. And this is amazing. 100% worth. This is $3.99 for this size. This can wash your hair twice, right? Now, if you want the bigger bottles, it'll be these right here. These are $15, but so worth the money. Like, if you can get yourself some Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus, if you have really dry natural hair, get that. I did also want to get this, the Rosemary Mint. I'm not focusing. The Rosemary Mint from Sunny Isle. It's just like the Mael one. This one though literally is all natural ingredients. Like, nothing is crazy in this, like no chemicals or whatever. I'm actually going to look on the Mael and compare the two. Let me see if I can get one right here. Let me get one and see. So I just read the ingredients list for both and compared the two. Outside of the price difference, the Sunny Isle is $9.99, the Mael is $11.99. Sunny Isle literally has all natural ingredients, and Mael matches 1-to-1, except that Mael has like some sort of added acid to it. I don't know. So I'm definitely going Sunny Isle.